Welcome back to your online class. How are you this morning? You know that this morning teachers going to review the unit for you in order to be ready for your exam tomorrow. You know that teacher prepare 3 different sections for everyone here. We have like Hangout 2, Grammar Planet 2, and Listening Center 2. So what you have to review for the Hangout 2 from Unit 7. You know, teacher just focus on like the 4 seasons again. But in some questions, it may happen from the page 44 until page 79, and you guys will see also that how many vocabulary that you will see on your test as well. So now let's move to the next slide. Teacher will show you that this is about the seasonal activities that you are going to see in the test paper, and also this is what you have learned so far. So the seasonal activity just the word like go, like play, like plan, like make, like go to, like make, pick, like start, like sun or snow. So teachers can give you some the picture. You know that the first picture you will see the flowers, and maybe the girls or the mother, she plant a flower. So plant should be plant of flowers, right? So the next one, like many students who wear a backpack, maybe they go to school, okay? And you will see another one like at the beach, maybe go to the beach. Next, number 4 can be make a snowman, can be a pick apple, can be go sledding and make a sandcastle, okay? So this is the seasonal activity. So the next one is about the weathers of each season. You know, you probably see that how is the weather today. So this is the question, and each question it may happen to each seasons. Example like the first picture you're gonna see like the coconut tree. Okay, coconut tree is hitting by the windy, so we call windy. Okay, windy. The next one, you see a lot of snow, and you see also the temperature too low. Okay, so we can say that it's cold. And the third picture number 3, like the sunny. You know, you see the blue sky, you see the sun. Okay, the number 4 you will see like the sun as well, but it seems to like hot. Okay, hot. And the number 5, it's gonna be dry because of in dry season in Cambodia. You know, the soil or the land become like that. And the last one, the season can be foggy. You know, foggy. You will see some foggy in Khmer like chok up or up. Okay, so this is the weather in each seasons. So now we shall move to like clothes in each season. I don't talk about most of the clothes, but teacher just raise up with 4 different type of vocabulary. Example like slippers. You know, slipper, you will see the first picture. You know, slippers is like that. You see like glove. Some people may use glove when they feel cold, and some people may use shorts. Okay, shorts. Picture number 3 is shorts. And picture number 4, sweater. Okay, sweater អាវចាក់ឬក៏អាវងារយើងណា short ហ្នឹងខោជាងខ្លីណា. So now teacher move to the review about the Grammar Planet 2, Unit 9, Unit 10, and Unit 11 from page 41 to page 51. Okay, so now let's move together, everyone. So the first review teacher focus on like the present continuous tense, like the positive form. Remember, subject is MR plus verb 1 and ing. Example like I am writing. Okay, he is swimming in the pool. They are playing football. Okay, This is the positive form of the present continuous tense. Again, subject plus is MR plus with verb 1 and ing. This is the present continuous tense. So, do you want to make it as a negative form? Easily, everyone. You just easy to add like the negative form. But before adding that, teacher just remind again, everyone. If we use I with am, we use he, she, it with is. We use we, you, they with are. Okay. So remember. Okay. So to make it as a negative form, it easily for everyone. Just you just put not. Okay, you see not. Subject is MR plus with not, and verb 1 ing the same. So this is all the positive form, and we add not, it becomes to negative form. Example like I am writing the lesson to I am not writing the lesson. He is not swimming in the pool. They are not playing football. So can you make the question form with the present continuous, everyone? Okay, so teacher go to the next one about the present continuous. Again, that review like is MR again. That how to use it with am with I. Okay, he, she, it with is, we, you, they with are. So now teacher can explain you more with the verbs at ing. Most of verbs at ing like cook to cooking, like play to playing, like talk to talking, listen to listening. Okay. But some verb, we have to double consonant before adding ing. Example like run to running. So run or un. Okay. So running or and ing. So we have to double one more n. Okay. And number 2 like put to putting, cut cutting, begin to beginning. Okay, beginning. And the present simple, teacher review with the positive form by using the present simple. Because subject plus verb 1, teacher just give you example like I go to school, they play football, you fly in the sky. This is the present simple with positive form. But if you use it with the he, she, or it, okay, so the verb should be changed to es, s, and ies. Okay, so like she goes to school, they play football, like it flies in the sky, like the bird flies in the sky. So fly change y to ies. Okay. So teacher would give you more detail for the next video, but today teacher just give you really short review only. So now if you want to make it as a question, you just put do and does to make a question in present simple. Remember that do plus with I, we, you, they, okay, and does plus with he, she, it. Example like do I play football? Do we play football? Like do you play football? Like do you plant flowers? If we ask a question with he, she, it can be does. Does he make a sandcastle? Does he make a snowman? Does she go to the beach? Does she plant flowers? Bear in mind, everyone, that in the question form, we don't add s or es, okay, because of you does already, or do and does already. So how can you answer, everyone? You just answer like if yes, yes I do, yes yes they do, or yes we do. Okay. If yes with he, she, it, yes he, she, it, or like say does. Yes he does, yes she does, and yes it does. But if you want to make it as like the question, respond the question with no I don't, No, they don't. Or no, we don't. No, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay. So this is the way that you ask the question and answer with yes and no. Okay. So now teacher review you guide to the listening starter 2, unit 7 and unit 8 from page 46 to 57. Okay, 57. For the unit 7 you see the title like being sick. So being sick vocabulary teacher just review you guys just a couple. Here you will see like hurt necks, hurt necks, like hospital, like do exercise, like ride bike. Okay, bike with wrong spelling, sorry. B-I-K-E, not L-E. Okay, mother, like doctor, like accident. When you feel sick, you probably ask your mommy to take care of you, or you go to the hospital in order to meet the doctor, and the doctor will give you some medicine or treat you. Okay, and the next you see the accident. Your accident, it become like being sick also. If you got the accident, and you will get sick as well. So this is some vocabulary again, like hurt neck, hospital, do exercise, ride bike, mother, like doctor, like accident. And the last for doing shopping, you gonna learn or review, like we are talking about the expensive, like low price, like birthday, like scarf, like you see the backpack and the store. Okay, so in some verb you probably use also like buy. Okay, like buy, like get, like try on. This is the lesson review for all the chapter, like hangout, grammar planet, and listening starter 2. So this is the end of your review unit. Thank you very much everyone for